Alright, the Tinkerer here. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to go ahead and change out the diff fluid. As long as I've had this truck, I've never changed the diff fluid out. Now, I've been through a lot of high water situations. And I've had this truck for I don't know how long. Over 4 years now, I think. And I'm going to go ahead and replace the fluid in this thing. So once I take all these off, I'll show it to you. Put it on. Woo, starting to open it, and little fluid's coming out. And man, it stinks. Woo. I gave it a comparison to the other one, and it doesn't smell as bad when I smelt it. Okay, so I popped it open from the side, and you can see how milky that is. Oh man, probably water got, this has gone through a bunch of water. I've taken it through a bunch of water. So, glad I'm finally doing this. I've been ragged on by the YouTube community for letting the fluids just drop to my concrete, so I have a container. Make sure you have a container to catch your dirty fluids. I want to make sure I get this milky fluid out, this dirty, no good oil out, fluid for the diff fluid. And so get a glove on, try and pour it all out. I want it all out of there. Next is you want to get all this gasket off of here, like this, all this gunk, because we're going to have to put it back on. So I got myself my razor, and I'm just going to scrape it till it's nice and clean. Look at that. Look at that, this gunk just coming right off. Alright, you see, we cleaned this all up. You want to clean this as much as possible. Get everything you can off of there. Look at that, there's a little bit right there. Make sure you get all that gunk off. You don't want anything interfering with the gasket we're going to put in. Clean this all up. So now, what I'm going to do now is it's ready to put the gasket, the gasket maker. Alright, now we need to go ahead and take the plug out. Where it feels like a half. Comes right off. Might be a little tough, but this is where we're going to go ahead and put the fluid in. So, that's it. This comes. Alright, let's take this off. Alright, we've already put almost a gallon. That should take about a half of this. I didn't forget to put the limited slip supplement in. Let's go ahead and put this in.
Oh, your hands are greasy.
Okay. You want to just keep pouring this in until it pours out of here, which it looks like it is. There it goes. So now, there we go.